Okay, I'll try. I got it. Comes with charms and it says I have to put water, shake, and boom. Let's see if this actually works. Okay, I think this is where you put the water inside. Can't forget the charm. Stuff everywhere, but it smelled really good. Now to add the water and shake it all up. So I shook it all up and it's still really powdery. I think I might need to add a little bit more water. This is the result. Doesn't work. Fail. Definitely cat. Okay, after playing with it all that time, it's become pretty good. I'll give it a 4 out of 10. Now let's do ASMR. Like and subscribe.